Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Efuru. Today I am here to do a very quick review on the new Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb All Over Diamond Veil in the shade Rosé Rave. I'm gonna get right into it. This new Diamond Bomb swatched beautiful on the skin, on the cheekbones, on the nose, over the eyelids. This is such a pretty color, and I love this one because it has gold in it. Like you see the gold shimmer in here, but you also see the pink shimmer in here, which is really pretty, and it's super tiny. Like, it's not like other luminizers, and this isn't like the other luminizers that she has that's super dominant. Like, for instance, the gold. I know the gold is really dominant, and the copper and those type of shades, but this one is really a subtle, beautiful glow. It almost looks the same as the Fenty Glow as previously reviewed on my channel. However, the Fenty Glow was more of a pink glow. This is pink and gold glow, so it's really pretty. Let me just show you again. I really hope my camera is working with me tonight. These type of shades that show up this way on like a lighter skin tone, it is actually more dominant on a darker skin tone, as when I tried this on my baby's arm, which is a bit darker than me, and it's super pretty. Even though the shade, the Fenty Glow, showed up so much better on darker skin, like you wouldn't even imagine. So I would absolutely recommend this new Diamond Veil All Over Luminizer to anyone who loves beautiful, subtle glows, but also pretty. And this is a talc-free luminizer. And if there's anything at all that I didn't mention about this beautiful new luminizer, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you are on Instagram and Snapchat, you can feel free to follow me there as well. I'm under the same name, Masika Efuru. I really hope this video is helpful to at least someone. If you are new to my channel, be sure to take my picture right here and do subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to bringing you more videos like these.